This is Scott Becker with the Becker's Private Equity and Business Podcast. We try each day to teach, to entertain, make sure that we're learning, that you're learning something, and a lot more. We're going to talk today really about three healthcare stocks that are struggling on Friday, and you'll be listening to this on Saturday. But to give you a sense, there's a few things going on. There's great concerns in DC about what's going to happen to healthcare budgets, healthcare reimbursement, the longer tail of cost, and whether there will be cost cutting or cost containment through the Trump administration. This is weighing negatively on a couple of the big hospital health system stocks. So what we're seeing today, and this is Friday, but you'll be listening to this on Saturday, HCA is down about 3.5%. Universal Health Services is down 3.5%. Intuitive Surgical is also down about 3.66%. Even though they had fairly good earnings, fairly good revenues, there's just increased concern about what the healthcare reimbursement and buy-in risk is going to look like over the next couple of years. That's causing some challenges in the space. So those are three of the things that we're watching currently. A couple of things that I'm watching, I've got my eyes on, which are totally separate. The Astera Labs, which is something we own individually through a spin out of something, is had a great last 6 months, but is down another 4% today after being down not long ago. And one other stock that we follow closely for really the strangest of reasons, because I love their clothing, is Hanes Brands. And I know this is ridiculous, but Hanes Brands, you get 5 pairs of underwear, sort of the I know this is too much information for people, those boxer briefs, and you can get literally 5 or 6 of them for $12 or $14 or $20 at the most. And I love them. They're the most comfortable things ever. So notwithstanding the fact that I love them, their stock is down 3% today, but you should remember the stock's been up 94% over the last year. That's not from me so heavily investing in buying Hanes underwear and Hanes t-shirts, but I got to tell you, I love them as much as any clothing that I have. And again, I know it's not so exciting, but it is what it is. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Always feel free to suggest episodes, suggest ideas, 773-766-5322. Thank you very, very much.